Hi, Ashne at Lancaster Honda. I'm the internet specialist here. Today I'll be showing you this Jazz EX, which is 1.5 self-charging hybrid. It's a beautiful color, midnight blue. Came off a nice customer. So yeah, to start off with, we got these automatic LED headlights with daytime running lights. We got front and rear parking sensors along with LED fog lamps. Really nice. Got the 16-inch alloy wheels, which is nice. Silver door mirrors, which shows it's an EX. You do have a blind spot recognition system, rear privacy glass, the second alloy there. In this video I'll be showing you any wear and tear found on the car. Got the nice white fabric interior, really nice. This mod magic seats as well, pull all the way up, all the way down, and just lock it. There we go. Got loads of room for a house plant. We got automatic windows. Show you the boot space on this car. Very lovely boot space. You do have storage space under and a tire repair kit on that side. Seats to fold down. It's got 60/40 split setting. The reverse camera back there, along with your parking sensors. Rear LED tail lamps. A nice shark fin antenna on top as well. The third alloy there, which is really nice. I'll jump in, I'll show you inside. You got keyless entry as well, which is handy. Yeah, all four automatic windows along with your wing mirror functions. They do fold down as well. There we go. As you can see, there's a blind spot recognition system on there. Yeah, which is nice and handy. Down here we got your parking sensors. We got vehicle stability control, Honda Sense, and yeah, adjustability there, headlight adjustability. Tons of room, more storage space. Just cup holders down there as well. I'll show you how many miles this car's got. Just a second. Here we go. So car's done 7,030 miles. I don't know why that's flickering. Probably because it's an LED. So yeah, we got automatic headlights. Got your light adjustable interior. We got automatic wipers as well, a power button there. Got heated steering wheel, which is nice. Lane keep assist and adaptive cruise control. On the right side you do have Bluetooth hands-free function on the left, along with you can customize this screen in front of you, which is nice. I'll show you at the moment the engine is powering up the battery, as you can see. Down here we got TFT touchscreen, got your heated seats for front driver and passenger, along with yeah, aircon. We got a couple of USBs down there with the dual wall socket. More space down there. Gearbox, automatic gearbox. We got your electric parking brake, eco mode, and brake hold. Got a couple of cup holders down there. I'll show you the reverse camera. It goes 3 modes. So yeah, DAB, FM, Bluetooth. You do have Apple CarPlay wireless on this car. So yeah, feel free to come down, have a look at it, or if you want to go for a test drive. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.